How to use Bulldog Adhesion Promoter Aerosol. Clean all areas to be painted with Bulldog Abrasive Prep and Clean using a gray scuff pad. Rinse thoroughly with clean water and make sure the surface is completely dry. Tack the dry surface thoroughly with a clean tack cloth. Make sure not to press too hard as tack material may transfer to the bumper and cause defects. If noticeable static remains after you tack, please use Prep-All Ultra Universal Surface Cleaner. Allow surface to dry 3 to 5 minutes before proceeding. Shake gently to ensure uniform mixture. Notice the spray nozzle can be adjusted to spray vertically or horizontally. Apply a single medium-closed coat of Bulldog Adhesion Promoter over the entire plastic surface. Allow 5 to 10 minutes before applying the next coating, or when tack-free. Visit cleanstripauto.com for more product and VOC restriction information.